Good morning, guys. This is Miss Carmen, Children's Services Coordinator at the Pflugerville Public Library, and I am very grateful to be able to come in your homes today. Thanks for joining me for story time, and let's get started with our The More We Get Together song. You guys are ready? Remember the signs: more, together, happy, and friends. Ready? Oh, the more we get together, together, together. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job. You can practice that all the time. Don't forget, it's very easy and very common. Look, you guys, we have some raindrops today. Raindrops come from the rain, and the rain comes from the clouds, right? All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little raindrops plopping on the floor. Plop. Plop, 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 plop. 1 plopped away, and that left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little raindrops dripping on the trees. 1 dripped away, and then there were 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little raindrops splashing on my shoe. 1 splashed away, and then there were 2. 2 little raindrops staring at the sun. That's right. 1 ran away, and then there was 1. 1 little raindrop drying in the sun. It dried all up, and then there were none. Uh-oh, the raindrops are gone. We're gonna hope for some more because our plants need it, right? More rain. All right, today we're going to read I Don't Like Rain, a book by Sarah Dillard. We are very appreciative that Simon & Schuster, the publishing company, is allowing us to read it to you today. And yes, it is going to be about a bunny and rain. I Don't Like Rain by Sarah Dillard. Look, what is Bunny doing? Did he find something on the ground? Yes, an acorn. Who wants to play? He says. And look, I do. All the animals. The squirrel, that's right, the bat, the mouse, the fox, I do, the raccoon, everybody wants to play with him. Oh, no, say the animals. It's going to rain. And the bird flies away. I like rain. Well, I don't, says the squirrel. I don't, says the raccoon. And the squirrel, is this a squirrel? No, I don't know. I don't, says the fox, and all the animals say, I don't. And they run away. What's wrong with rain? Asks the bunny. Drip, drip, drip. 1 drop falls on his nose. Drip, 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 drip. He's getting super wet. Oh, look at that. Drip, 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 drip. Oh my gosh. He's getting really wet. Drip, 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 drip. I don't like rain, he says. Drip, 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 drop. He has to change. Plop, flop. When will it stop? But the bird is having a blast. Who wants to play? Says the bunny. Now he has his rain jacket and he's ready for playing outside. I do, I do, I do, I do, say all the animals. Splish, splash, 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 splash. So they are playing a splashing game and splash, splash, drip, 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 drip. Oh no! It stopped. It stopped raining. Aww. Oh, oh, they say. No more rain. But look what the rain brought. A beautiful rainbow in the sky. And that is the end. All right, here is an action rhyme. It's a fun action rhyme about rain. So look at me do it the first time and then we can do it all together. You guys are ready? Flutter your fingers. Ready? Rain on the grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the house top. But not on me. That's it. Can we do it again? Rain on the grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Very good. I brought 2 books today that I would like to recommend that you check out from the library. The first one is What Animals Do in the Spring. That's right. This book is actually by Jenna Lee Greisner, and it is part of our nonfiction, early reader nonfiction collection. It has beautiful colors. It talks about different things that animals do during the spring with simple words and big pictures for beginning readers. I hope you check this whole collection out. But you can check this book out. Put it on reserve and pick it up during curbside service. We also have Goodbye Winter, Hello Spring. And as days stretch longer, you learn about the things that happen after winter and bring spring around. So please check it out. This is by Kennard Pack. Well, in your packets for Storytime this month, you have some materials to make a bunny. So it's a puppet. It will become a puppet bunny, and you can have a lot of fun with it and even tell the stories that we just did today, or tell your own. Just glue it together and have fun with the little bunny. Don't forget, we are offering this first come, first served for now, and they are available. So pick up your packet and make your crafts. We have 1 craft for every week, and they're available at the library. Just ask for one when you drive by. Thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget, our videos are available on our YouTube channel, and you can look at the past videos too. With that said, thank you Jessie Davis from communications team for helping the library team actually to put these videos together too. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day. Stay safe, everyone.